Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. I think it would be nice to make a hot pot of cabbage roll soup. So what do you think? It's easier than making cabbage rolls, but has all the flavor. So stay with me and we'll go through the recipe together. Alright, so let's do this. Start by placing 1 pound of ground beef into a Dutch oven or a large pot, and generously sprinkle it with some salt and pepper. I would say at least a half a teaspoon of each. With your heat on high, fry this until the meat starts to brown. Then add 1 cup of coarsely chopped sweet onion. And with your heat still on medium-high, give it a good stir and continue to fry. And next we'll add a couple of teaspoons of freeze-dried garlic. You can add fresh garlic if you have that on hand. And here I just took some baby carrots and I sliced them, and I used about 3/4 of a cup of that in it. And the baby carrots work great because it's smaller and it's nice in this soup. And the main attraction to this soup is the cabbage, because it's cabbage roll soup. So let's chop up some cabbage, and we want it coarsely chopped because we really do want to taste this. So I added 2 cups of coarsely chopped cabbage. I mixed together tomato sauce and diced tomatoes, and I added all together 2 cups of this, which is 1 cup of each. Now to continue to build our soup base, we need to add some chicken broth or some beef broth. That's up to you which one you want to use, but add a total of 5 or 6 cups of this. It needs to have all the vegetables completely submerged with extra liquid on the top. Cover your pot and start bringing this soup to a boil. Continue to build your soup while it's cooking. Throw in a bay leaf, and maybe a couple of tablespoons of brown sugar. Then add a good tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Now place the lid back on and let it boil for a good 20-25 minutes, depending on how long it takes to cook the cabbage through. And don't forget to check on it once in a while and give it a good stir while it's cooking. Now for the rice. If you were using long grain rice, you would have to add it earlier in the soup and let it cook along with it. But I'm using the Basmati 2-minute rice, so after the soup is cooked, I add it and just put the lid on and let it steam a little bit. And it doesn't taste the same until you put a little bit of zap to the soup, so Worcestershire sauce or wine, up to you. Maybe a tablespoon or 2 of this. Give it a taste test after you put the first tablespoon in, and then you'll decide whether or not you need the second one. Once your soup is ready, don't forget to remove the bay leaf. And it's time to dish up. This soup is like a complete meal in one. And even though we have some salt and pepper in the soup, I usually put salt and pepper on the table and everybody can season it a little bit more if they want to. And this recipe should serve, probably between 4 and 5 people. I enjoy a good bowl of soup any time of the year, but this is especially nice in the winter months. This is good with biscuits or bread on the side. So go ahead, give this one a try. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and if you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And go ahead and try the soup, and let me know in the comments section how it worked out for you. I'll talk to you soon.